You don't know if you permit me.
Whoever is for the plaintiff, you have to call. Yes, Honorable Wangari Mbulika.
Yes.
I'm just reading orders.
Yes, and Your Honor, there is an issue because it.
Your kind permission, if the respondent can be allowed to sit.
Yes, let it sit.
Thank you. Together with Mr. Clifford Beta, Mr. Shadrach Wamboi,
I'm present, my lord. Good morning.
Mr. Samson Nyameri,
I'm present, my lord. Good morning.
and the only lady, Madam Martinez.
Good morning, my lord. I'm present.
That's all for the respondent. My lord, our application is dated the 8th of May 2025. And the court issued orders to the effect that we serve latest by 3 p.m. I do confirm we served. The state has responded with their replying affidavit that we have received today. Your Honor, the issue that brought us to this court to bring to the court's attention is that the DCI posted in the DCI Twitter handle that the respondent, the applicant in this matter, do surrender to the nearest police station. That was around 9:40 p.m.
To surrender to the nearest. That was when?
on the 7th at around 9:30 p.m. The respondent, accompanied by me and Mr. Nyaberi, the applicant, sorry, I don't know why the name. The applicant, accompanied by me and Mr. Nyaberi, surrendered to Gigiri police station at 10 p.m. He surrendered on the basis that he is very confident that he has not committed an offense. He's ready and willing to be investigated. and he has nothing to hide. Your Honor, what activated us to file this matter is the inordinate delay for the applicant to be presented before the court of law.
Inordinate delay.
To be presented before a competent court of law. We,
How
the,
much time?
within 24 hours, within 24 hours.
He was not produced.
He was not produced as at expire of 24 hours, which was to be the next day at 10. And that is the reason why we presented
10 a.m. when?
on 8th. The court acted at around 2 p.m. The state presented the applicant to JKIA law courts.
To JKIA at what time?
He was presented around 4 past 4
4 p.m. When?
on the 8th, or 9th, sorry. Where the trial court issued custodial orders for 7 days. And currently detained at Kileleshwa Police Station, via a court order. My Lord, faced with those facts, we have instructions from the applicant to withdraw this matter before you. Because it has been overtaken by events. The prayers we were seeking for him to be produced before a competent court of law are spent. And there's nothing for determination left before you. My Lord has indicated the applicant is a public figure. He's a serious politician. He has nothing to hide. He intends to be the Member of Parliament to make laws to strengthen the DCI's capacity to investigate.
That will be his only business.
The other, he will be making laws in Parliament. And for the people of Kaspur, so that once the DCI completes with the investigation, he can be let free to go and attend the, in Africa, burials and funerals don't end on one day. He intends to go and attend to the funeral, although it has been completed of the late Member of Parliament, and he engages his constituents. That's all, my Lord.
Applicant, stating that he wanted to withdraw the application. However, my lord, for record purposes, we had filed a replying affidavit dated 12th of May 2025. We had responded to the allegations raised by the advocate of the applicant, in specific, the issue of non-compliance with the 24-hour rule, my lord, we had responded to that. Under paragraphs 6, 7, 8, 7 and 8. In fact, paragraph 8 states that the applicant was booked in at Kasarani Police Station on OB and Police Station. Under OB entry 02 08 05 2025. Well within, and he was produced in court as admitted at 12:18 hours.
At 12?
12:18 hours. That's in the morning. Morning hours.
That is the early morning of night.
Yes, my lord. No, morning hours, early morning hours of 8.
Of 8.
Yes. My lord, he was then produced in court on 9th of May 2025. Where he was remanded in custody at Kilelesha Police Station for 7 hours. For 7 days, my lord. This is in paragraphs 9 and 10. My lord, the delay the applicant's advocate raises that the applicant was produced in the late hours of the 9th have to do with an application E07. I'll get it, my lord, I'll get you the specific application. E081 before the JK. E081, where the advocates in this matter were present.
Is it
In JKI, my lord. Yes. A miscellaneous application for custodial orders for other suspects in the same matter, where the advocates in this matter today were also present and are aware why that application took so long. It's also a matter of fact in the in the newspapers and in social media why that matter took so long. My lord, we welcome the decision to withdraw this affidavit, the application, as we have complied with the orders given by this court and provided a documentary trail from his arrest up until he was remanded at Kilelesha Police Station. My lord, the first, second and fourth respondent are well aware of their constitutional mandates, legislative legislative mandates, and the need to uphold constitutional rights and obligations, which we all take seriously and comply with.
As this matter, if the court agrees with our application, there are two gray areas that come out in this response of the state. When is somebody arrested? And the question of where miscellaneous applications are supposed to be filed. We have instructed our good Sheria Mtaani to file a petition to the High Court for those two things to be clarified. It's not in this matter, but I only wanted to give notice to the state and the DCI that we shall be developing the law.
Applications in respect of what?
On the question of the curve, Shadrach is arrested in Kericho. The offense is committed in Mombasa. Is a miscellaneous application supposed to be filed in Nyamira? That is not before this court. We discovered that there is a gray area in the, out of this matter. Where can a miscellaneous application be filed? Number two, when is a person arrested at a police station? Is it when the police decide to put it in the OB so that somebody can be in the cells for 30 hours, but he is booked after 30 hours? Those questions, my lord, we intend to file a serious substantive question before the High Court for a proper interpretation. But this is off the cuff. Thank you, my lord.
Yes, your application reached this court on the 9th of May 2025, and in it you allege to have been held in custody longer than is constitutionally permitted. However, it does turn out that at the time when this court made its order, you had already been produced before the JKIA court, and therefore it is the view of this court that you had an opportunity to deal with the issue of delay, if any, before that court. Since you have indicated willingness to withdraw the application, this court has no basis to decline that request. And the order that this court will make is this, that you shall remain in custody until the period of 7 days ordered by the lower court is spent. Okay? The file is marked as closed.